It has started raining here at Anza Borrego. Beautiful day this morning. We went for a wildflower walk and it was hot and sunny, and now the rain has come in and it feels so good, so relieving. I don't like to be hot, so it seems like the perfect time to show you how I make chicken soup. This is a video that I've actually filmed a couple of times. One time there was way too much background noise. Another time the camera angle was totally wrong the whole time I was putting it together. And so hopefully third time's a charm. Got the Instant Pot. We've got some carrots, a stalk of celery. I've got some organic chicken thighs with bones. I like to use the ones with bone in because I just feel like it gives a better flavor. I've got dehydrated onion because I don't have an actual onion. I've got salt and pepper. I've got some dehydrated black garlic. I've got sage, cayenne, and turmeric. All right, first we're gonna chop up some veggies. I like to slice my celery a couple of times first so that it's nice and small. Add a little onion. I don't measure it. I know you're shocked. Salt and pepper. Some garlic. Sage, cayenne, turmeric. I like to cut up the chicken in two so that the bone marrow gets into the soup. You don't have to do that, it's just an extra step, but I think it makes the soup a lot better, a lot more nutritious. I just added the water. It's not quite all the way full, but it's full enough. I have 3 chicken thighs in here with bones, and so this should be a really good few meals for me. You could also add some potato, you could add some cauliflower, lots of different things that you could add in here. Really, really simple recipe. Not a lot to it, but the Instant Pot makes it amazing. Gonna put the lid on, pressure for 4 minutes. That's it. I'm gonna allow it to come up to pressure. When it's all done, I'm going to turn it off and allow the pressure to release naturally. The timer just went off, so I'm gonna hit cancel, unplug it, because it doesn't need to be taking up any energy at all. Now what I'm going to do is let the pressure release naturally. So if you can see this pin right here, I'm waiting for that pin to drop. Once the pin drops, then I'll be able to open the pressure cooker, the Instant Pot, and try the soup. The pin has dropped. It is time to open it up and check out what we've got. Got a lot of steam. Smells wonderful as always. Also, just a reminder that the lid fits inside the little handles, so either side, it doesn't matter. Next up is to kind of fish out the chicken and get it shredded and you know, get the skin off of it and get the bones out of there. I'm just using my pot. That's the only other pot I carry. I'm just gonna fish out the chicken. It's a little yellow because of the turmeric that I added to the soup. I reuse these lids for the canning jars, and I just write on the top of them because my fridge is a top loader, and so I just use some lemon essential oil on my dishcloth to get rid of the Sharpie that I've already used. And it cleans it right up, and then I can just write on it again. So I write what it is and the date, because sometimes I forget what I'm doing. And so I'm gonna let these cool just a little bit more and then put them in the fridge. So a couple of notes about this. So I really wish that I had had a fresh onion for this. This would have been so much better with a fresh onion instead of the dehydrated, but it's van life, and so you use what you have. Secondly, I find that the Instant Pot makes about 5 servings for me. So I've got, so I ate the 1 serving, and then I've got 2 servings in each of these 1.5-pint jars. So time to put them in the fridge. This is Joni with TheGalavan. Enjoy your journey.